Hey, what's up guys? It is Spectrum Reviews back with the brand new video, and we are officially back on the channel. No more delays, no more, non-upload periods of time. And here we are. We're doing a small update on the MPM-4 Optimus Prime figure because owning this figure for, I want to say, the past month and a half to 2 months or so, I've discovered things that I can do to make him look more movie accurate. And as you're seeing him right now, this is how he would look out of the packaging, because he's packaged in robot mode. This is how he would come. These might be untabbed from the body, but other than that, this is exactly how he would look. So let's get a 360 view of that real quick. We're mainly focusing on the top half of the figure for this. As you can see, the backpack is tabbed in and how it would look out of the packaging. Let's get him spun back around here. And today what I'm going to show you is how to make him look a bit more movie accurate. It's not like gigantic changes or anything like that to where you can swap this chest out with your ROTF chest or things like that. But these are things that I've done, fiddling around with the figure to make it look more movie accurate. And we're going to start off with the chest, mainly the nipple doors. These are his nipples. Go ahead and laugh, whatever. So as you can see, they're pushed all the way up here, right? And in the movie, they don't cover this much of his windshields. I'm going to post a picture for you right here so you can see that. And yeah, as you can see, they're pushed a lot back farther, like probably closer to his arms than to his actual chest. So what we're going to do is we're going to just sort of push these back like that. And it's not that major of a difference, but you can see that this is different to this over here. So we're going to do the same thing on this side as well. Just push that back, And it's supposed to look like that in the movie. That's actually how it looks. So we're going to move down to the abdominal section here. And what we can do for this portion right here is we can just sort of untab these. And what I like to do is I like to sort of tuck them down there, because in the movie these are a lot more separated from his windshield / his upper chest than they are on the figure. So let's go ahead and move these down, and I'll post a picture for you right here so you can see that. Alright, so now we have a more movie accurate looking chest here. He's already looking a lot better in my opinion. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come to the back. And before we come to the back, as you can see, you have these annoying, rear wheel guards in the front here, and it's just not, pleasant, Like, I know a lot of collectors don't like that about this figure, and the way you can fix this, I know other people have shown you this as well, like they posted videos about this, but it's just the same thing, you sort of want to untab these and sort of rotate them out to the side, because in the movie, oh, it was off frame. It's actually a lot closer to this than to this in the movie. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. We all hate ads, don't we? But yeah, it's a lot closer to this in the movie than it is to the other thing. The only thing about this that's different from the movie version is that the two corners on the panels are a lot closer together than they are here, but you really can't do anything about that. So yeah, the final thing we're going to focus on here is the bottom of the legs. Hopefully it's a good enough angle. Let's get them. So normally you would have the wheels up here, but in the movie this is separated from this, so you can just simply move these down and it sort of hinders the angle or the ankle articulation, but not by very much, honestly. And yeah. So, oh, this came undone. But yeah, I know what you're thinking about these being down here and stuff. Oh, it's gonna stress out the, the panels is gonna stretch out the, the quality / the tightness of them. It's not gonna do that by any means. I've had that like that for, more than a few weeks now, and honestly, it's fine. It transforms fine. It's still operational. I'm not saying this is a perfect figure by any means, just because he can, make himself more movie accurate. Because personally, I think the head should be maybe a centimeter larger in width, and like a bit closer to his collarbones than it is. But in my opinion, this still is the best Optimus Prime figure that you can buy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace!